Chapter 2 Series. Letter Series. Letter Series 1. Letter series contain only letters of alphabets placed in specific pattern, and the same pattern is followed to find the answer. That means a series of letter that has a particular difference between the letters. Suppose we are given a series like A, C, E, G. Here if we see the pattern, the difference is of one alphabet. So if we have to find the next letter after G that is present in the series, we can simply remove one letter, that is H, and I will be the next letter of the series. Okay, so let's solve. Take from the answer set which comes next. So here we are given series of letters and we have to find the very next coming letter from the options provided here. We are given first, we are given B, D, F, H. So here if we see the pattern, we are given B, then after B it comes C. C is not there. Then D is given, and after D, E is missing. Then F is given. Then G is missing. Then H is given. Then I should be missing and J should be present. So the answer for the first one is J. Two. We are given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That means in this series we are having in this series we can say that we doesn't miss any of the letters, but we pair up two letters together in a continuous way. So after H, the letters that comes are I and J. So the answer for the second is I, J. Third, we are given B, Y, C, X. So the series here represents one letter from the starting. So the series here represents second letter from the starting and second letter from the ending. Then third letter from the starting and third letter from the end. So the next letter will be fourth letter from the starting, that is D. So the next letter of this series will be D. Fourth, we are given M, N, O, P. So here the series doesn't miss any letter in between. So it is a continuous series. So the letter that comes after P is Q. So Q is the answer for this series. Fifth, we are given AB, BC, CD, DE. So if we look at this series, we are given AB, BC, CD, DE. That means the last letter of the first pair is same as the second letter pair's first letter. Similarly, if we look at the second letter of the second pair and first letter of the third pair, they are same. That means if we have to find the next pair of this series, that will be E, as it is the second letter, so it would be E F. So the answer for this series is E F. Sixth, we are given A, E, F, J. So here the series indicate first we are having A, then we skip 3 letters in between, that is B, C and D. Then we have E. Then we doesn't skip any letter, we have F. Then after it we again skip 3 letters, that is G, H, I, and next letter is J. So the missing letter will be K, as J comes. So the missing letter will be K, as K comes after J. So the answer for this series is K. Seventh, we are given AB, DE, GH, JK. So here also we have pairs, but here the pair is not same, as we skip 1 letter after each pair. So the coming pair will be MN. So MN is the answer for this series. Coming to the 8th one, we are given Y, W, U, S. So we can easily say this is a reverse series. And here also is a difference of 1 letter. As before Y it's X, but X is missing. Before W it's V, V is missing. Before U it's T, T is missing. So the letter that comes after S is, if we read alphabets in reverse order, the alphabet that comes before S is R, but we are having a gap of 1 letters, so the previous letter of R is used, that is Q. So Q is our answer for this series. Okay. Letter series 2. Give 2 letters for each of the following. Here we are given with different patterns, and we have to find the missing letters in the pattern. Okay. So first, if we look at the pattern, we are given C, C, D, D, E, E. That means we are given alphabets. That means we are given alphabets in continuous order. So if we look at the next letter that comes after E, so the letter in the alphabet that comes after E is F. So here we are using every letter twice. So here the answer will be F, F. Coming to the second one, we are given M, N, M, N, M, N. That means here the pattern is going M, N, then M, N. That means no other alphabet is used in this series. So the letter that comes after N is M. So we will write M, and after M the letter that comes is N. So we will write N. Okay. Give next 3 letters for each of the following. So here also we have to write the next letters that are possible in this series. Third one, we are given X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So the letters that can be come after Z here. So the letter that can be come after Z in this series is, if we look at this pattern, we are given X after Z. So X will come after Z, and the letter after Z is Y. So the next letter is Y. Okay. Fourth one. We are given P A. Fourth, we are given P A, P C, P E. So here we are given P A, P C, P E. So if we look at the first alphabets, P is similar in all of them, and looking at the second one, there is a difference of one alphabet. So if we have to write the missing alphabets, that will be P, and the letter that comes after F is G. So P and G is our answer. Okay, moving on next, filling the boxes. Fifth, we are given A, B, C, D, E, F, dash, I, J, K, L, dash, O, P. So here if we see the pattern, we are given letters in pair in continuous order, that is A, B, then after B it's C. So we are given C, D. After D it's E, F. That is given to us, and after F we have G in our alphabetic series, and after G it's H. So GH is our answer for the first one. After that, the letter that comes after H is I. So I and J is given to us. The letter that comes after J is KL, and KL is given to us. The letter that comes after L is M and N. So M and N is the answer for the second missing box. Okay. Sixth one, we are given AA dash CC dash EE dash. Sixth, we are given AA dash CC dash EE FF GG HH. That means here the pairs are of single letters. So here the pairs are of single letters, that is, if we write alphabets, we get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and here we are given alphabets 2 times. So if we look at this series, AA is given to us, and then if we look at this series, we are given AA. The letter, the pair that is missing will be BB. After that we are given CC. So the pair that is missing after CC will be DD. So our answer for the first blank will be BB, and the answer for the second one will be DD. Okay. Seventh, we are given pairs BCD, DEF, FGH dash JKL, LMN, NOP dash. So here if we look at the series, we are given BCD. After that we are given DEF, That means if we look at these two pairs, we can easily see that the last letter of the first pair is the first letter of the second pair. So if we continue this pattern, the third pair that is given to us is F, G, H, and the next pair is missing. So if we write H as the first letter of the next pair and continue it in the alphabetic series, we will get I, J. So the answer for the first blank is H, I, J. Moving on, for the last one, if we see the previous pattern that is given to us, that is N, O, P. So if we write P as the first letter of the last pair and continue it with the alphabetic series, we will get PQR. So PQR will be our answer. Okay. Eighth one, we are given AX dash CX DX EX FX dash HX. So here the pairs are AX, CX, DX, EX and so on. FX, HX. That means if we look at the second alphabet in every pair, that is X. So if we look at the second alphabet of every pair, it is X. So we can easily write X on the second place of the missing places. So we can easily write X and X at the second place of the pair that is missing to us. And for the first letter, we can easily see we are having a continuous series. So that means after A, B will come. So the first pair will be BX. And moving to the second one, the previous alphabet given to us is F. So after F, G comes. So the second pair here that is missing is GX. Okay. Ninth, we are given capital A small b, capital C small d, dash, capital G small h, dash, capital K small l, capital M small n, capital O small p. So here in this series, we are given pairs in continuous order, but the first alphabet is in capital and the second alphabet is in small. So if we have to see, so to get the answer for the first blank, we are given that, so to get the answer of the first blank, we can easily say that the letter that comes after D is E and the letter that comes after E is F. So EF will be the answer for the first blank. And for the second one, we are given GH. That means the letter that comes after H is I and the letter that comes after I is J. So our answer for the second blank is I, capital I, small j. Okay. 10th, we are given AB, BC, dash, DE, EF, GH, HI dash. So here the pattern easily says that in every pair, so here if we see the first two pairs of this series, we can easily say that the second letter of the first pair is the same as the first letter of the second pair. So if we do the same for the missing one, we can simply say C will be at the first place and the letter that comes after C, that is D, will be on second place. So our answer for the first blank is C, D. And for the last one we are given H, I. So our answer for this will be I as the first alphabet and J as the second. So our answer will be I, J. Okay. Number series 1. The number series is based on a specific pattern. The same pattern needs to be continued to find the answer. That means in number series we are given a specific pattern. So we have to follow the pattern and find the missing number or the number that will come next. Okay? Let's start. Take from the answer set which comes next. So here we are given the questions, that is a series, and here we are given some options. So we have to select which will come after it or which is missing in. So we have to select which comes after next. Okay. First one. We are given 150, 200, 250, 300. That means if we subtract second number from the first one, we can easily get a difference of 50 in each. So to get the number that comes after 300, so we need to add 50 to 30. So to get the number that will come after 300, we have to add 50 to 300. So that will be 350. So answer for the first one is 350. Okay. Second, we are given 12, 24, 36, 48. That means if we multiply 12 with 1, we will get 12. If we multiply 12 with 2, we will get 24. That is our second one. If we multiply 12 with 3, we will get 36. That means in this we are following the table of. So that means in the second one we are following the table of 12. Okay, so in the table of 12, the number that comes after 48 is 60. Okay. Third, we are given 27, 24, 21, 18. So if we try to subtract 27 and 24, that is the first two pairs, first two numbers. So the answer that will come is 3. To check this out, if we subtract the second number and the third number, we will also get 3. That means the number that will come after 18 will be 18 minus 3, that is 15. Okay. Fourth one, we are given 151, 252, 353, 454. So here simply we can see that we are given a 3-digit number. Here 5 is same for all the numbers, and the number at the first position and second position are getting added by 1. That means first we were having 151. After that, if we add 1 to 1, it will be 2. So the second number, was 252. Similarly, we have to find the number what will come after 454. So we are given 454. So if we add 1 to 4, we will get 5. So our answer will be 5, 5, 5. So answer for the fourth one is 5, 5, 5. Fifth one, we are given 777, 666, 555, 444. That means in this series we are having a reverse order of the numbers, that is 7, 6, 5, and the number is in 3-digit and the number is repeating. So for the number that comes after 444 will be 333. So our answer for the fifth one is 333. Moving to the next one, sixth, we are given 548, 540, 532, 524. So in this series, if we subtract first pair with second pair, we will simply get the answer as 8. That means in the pairs we are having a difference of 8. So to find the number that will come after 524, we need to subtract 8 from it. So the number that will come after 524 will be 516. Okay. Seventh, we are given 165, 265, 365, 465. That means in the pairs we are having an addition of 100. That means in the pair that are given to us, we are having an addition of 100. So to find the number that will come after 465, we need to add 100 to it, and we will get the answer as 565. Eighth, we are given 150, 240, 330, 420. That means if we subtract first pair from the second one, we will get the answer as 90. That means the difference between two numbers is of 19. So to find the number, so the difference between two numbers is of 90. So to find the number that will come after 420, we need to add 90 to 420 to get our answer, that will be 510. Okay. Ninth, we are given 901, 802, 703, 604. So here if we look at the pair, if we look at the first number and the second number, we can easily see that the number present at the 100 place is decreasing and the number present on the ones place is increasing. So, to find the number that will come after 604, we need to add 1. So, to find the number that come after 40, so to find the number that will come after 604, we need to subtract 1 from 6 and add 1 to 4. So the number that will come after 604 will be 505. So 505 is our answer. Tenth, we are given 303. 10th, we are given 303, 323, 343, 363. So here if we look at the first number and second number, we are given 303 and 323. So if we look at the place of 100 and ones, they are same. But the place of tens is getting added by 2. So to find the number that will come after 363 will be 383. Okay. Number series 2. Give next to numbers for each of the following. So here we have to find what number will come after the number that are given to us, and we have to identify the number by looking at the series that are given to us. Okay, let's start. First, we are given 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610. That means in the numbers we are having an addition of 100. So to find the number that will come after 601, we need to add 100 to it and the number will be 701. Okay? And the number that will come after 701 will be, and the number that will come after 710 will be 810. Second, we are given 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. So if we look at these series, we can easily say that in between the numbers we are having an addition of 20. So to find the number that will come after 160, we need to add 20 to it and we will get answer as 180. And for the second number, we need to add 20 to 180 and the number will be 200. So the two numbers that we are asked are 180 and 200. Okay. Give next three numbers for each of the following. So here also we have to find the next numbers from looking at the series. Third, we are given 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Here also, if we look at first two numbers, we can easily say that here is an addition of 20. So to find the number that will come after 90, we need to add 20 to it and we will get answer as 10. And we will get answer as 110. To get the second number, we need to add 20 to it and we will get answer as 130. For the third number, we need to add 20 to 130, we will get the answer as 150. So the three numbers that are asked to us are 110, 130, 150. Okay. Fourth, we are given 121, 221, 321, 421, 521. So here we can easily see that there is addition of 100 in every number. So to find the number that will come after 521, we need to add 100 to it and the number that will come will be 621. To get the next number, we need to add 100 to it. So we will get 721. For the third number, we will add 100 to 721 and we will get 821. So the three numbers that will come here will be 621, 721 and 821. Filling the boxes. Here we are given the series and some missing blanks. So we have to look at the series and try to find the answer. Fifth, we are given 7, 14, 21. So we can see, so if we subtract 14 and 7, we will get answer as 7. That means there is a difference of 7. So to find the first missing number, we need to add 7. So we need to add 7 to 21. So the answer will be 28. For the next number, we need to add 7 to 42 and we will get answer as 49. 6. We are given 60 dash 56 dash 52 50 48 46. So here if we look at these two numbers 52 and 50, if we subtract 52 and 50, we get the answer as 2. That means in these numbers there is a difference of 2. So to find the first missing number, we need to subtract 2 from 60 and the answer will be 58. So the first number is 58. And for the next missing number, we need to subtract 2 from 56. So the answer will be 54. So the second number that is missing is 54. Seventh, we are given 989, 889, 789, dash, 589, 489, 389 and dash. So if we look at the first two numbers, we are given 989 and 889. That means there is a difference of 100. So to find the first missing number, we need to subtract 100 from 789 and we will get the answer as 689. So the first number is 6. So the first missing number is 689. For the second number, we need to subtract 100 from 389. So we will get the answer as 289. So the second missing number is 289. Okay. 8th, we are given 29 dash 33 35 37 39 dash 43. So if we look at these two numbers and we subtract 35 from 33, we will get 2. That means in these numbers there is a difference of 2. So to find the next number that will come after 29, we add 2. So the number will be 31. For the second number, we need to add 39. For the second number, we need to add 2 to 39 and we will get 41. Okay. 9th, we are given 211 310 dash 508 dash 706 805 and 904. So here if we look at the first two numbers and we subtract 310 and 211 and we subtract 310 and 211, we will get answer as 99. We will get answer as 99. That means there is an addition of 99 between the two numbers. So to find the next number that will come after 310, we need to add 99 to it and the number will come as 409. For the number that will come after 508, we need to add 99 to it and the number that will come is 607. 10th, we are given 111 120 dash 138 147 156 165 dash. So if we subtract 120 and 111, we get the answer as 9. So here is an addition of 9 with every number. So to find the next number after 120, we need to add 9 to it and the number that will come is 129. The next number that will come after 165, we need to add 9 to it and the number that will come is 174. Alphanumeric series. In alphanumeric series, letters and numbers are arranged together in specific order. To find the answer, we use the same pattern. Earlier, we have studied letter series and number series separately. So here we have combined both of them and we have created some series and we have to find that how the answer will come now. Let's start. Take from the answer set which comes next. So here we are given the series at the left corner and the options in the right corner. So we need to identify the pattern in the series and find the next coming letter. So we need to identify the pattern of the series and find the next coming sequence. First, we are given A 10, B 20, C 30, D 40. So here we are given alphabets and numbers, and the alphabets are continuous and the numbers are added by 10. So to find the next number after D40, we need to add 10 to 40 and we will get 50. And for the alphabet, the next alphabet that will come after D is E. So E50 is our answer. Second, we are given B12, C24, D36, E48. So here we are also given, so here again we are given the alphabets in sequence and number in a different pattern. So for the number we are having an addition of 12. So to find the next coming answer, the letter that will come after E is F. And if we add 12 to 48, our answer will be 60. So the answer for this one is F60. Okay. Third, we are given 100 Z 20. Third, we are given 100 Z, 200 Y, 300 X, 400 W. So here we are having the reverse order of the alphabets and an addition of 100 to the number. So to find the next number after 400 W, we need to add 100 to 400, that is 500. And for the alphabet, we have to see what comes before W, that is V. So our answer for this one is 500V. Fourth one, we are given A1B, C2D, E3F, G4H. So here we are given combination of alphabets with number. So this shows that the alphabets present here are in continuous order and the letters are having an addition of 1 to them. So if we write, so for the next pair that will come after it, if we look at the last pair of the series, it's G4H. So the letter that comes after H is I. The number that comes after 4 is 5. And the letter that comes after I is J. So the answer for this part is I5J. Fifth, we are given Z10, Y20, X30, W40. That means we are having a reverse order of the alphabets and addition of 10 to the number. So for the next pair we have to see what comes before W. It's V. And for the number we need to add 10 to 40, and that is 50. So the answer for this part is V50. Sixth part, we are given 3A, 6B, 9C, 12D. That means in the pairs that are given to us, there is an addition of 3 in the number and the alphabets are continuous. So if we look at the next pair, if we add 3 to 12, we get 15. And for the alphabet, the next letter that comes after D is E. So our answer for this part is 15E. 7th, we are given BC4, DE8, FG12, HI16. So if we look at the pairs, so if we look at these pairs, we can easily see that starting two terms are alphabets that are in continuous order, and the number that is present here has an addition of 4 to it. So for the next coming pair, if we look at the alphabet in the last pair, that is HI. So the letter that comes after I is J and K. So the letter that comes after I is J and K. And if we add 4 to 16, we get answer as 20. So JK20 is the answer for this part. 8th, we are given A15Z, B24Y, C33X, D42W. So here if we look at the pattern, we are given 3 terms. The first term is an alphabet that is in continuous order. Second is a number. And the third one is an alphabet, is reversed alphabet. And if we look at these two pairs number present there, we can easily find out the difference between these two numbers, that is 9. So to get the next number that is asked to us, we have to see the last pair that is given to us. That is, to find the answer, we have to see the pair that is given to us, and the pair is D24, that is D42W. So here we have to find, so here after D, E comes, before W, V comes, and on adding 9 to 42 we get 51. So the answer for this part is E51V. 9th, we are given A3B, B5C, C9D, D17E. So here we can simply say that the second term of the first pair is the same as the first term of the second pair. In every case, these are same. So So for the answer, the first term of this will be E, as E is present at the last, as E is present at the third place of the last term. And for the next letter present in it, it will be F, as the letters here are present here are continuous. And for the number part, we need to see what is the difference between these numbers. If we subtract 5 and 3, we get the answer 2. If we subtract 9 and 5, we get the answer 4. And if we subtract 17 and 9, we get the answer as 6. That means we are having a difference on the even numbers. Firstly, we were having a difference of 2, then 4, then 6. Now, after 6, we should have a difference of 8. That means if we add 17 and 8, we will get our answer. That will be 25. So our answer for this part will be E25F. Ninth, we are given A 3B, B 5C, C 9D, D 17E. So here we see that the pattern is not continuous for the number, but the alphabets are continuous here. So for the numbers, we need to check the difference in the numbers that are present. So if we subtract 5 and 3, we get 2. So if we subtract 5 and 3, we get 2. Okay. If we subtract 9 and 5, we get 4. If we subtract 17 and 9, we get the answer as 8. That means the difference is being multiplied by 2. So to find the next number, we have to multiply 8 with 2, that is 16. And we have to add 16 and 17. So the answer will be 33. Okay. And for the answer, the letter E will come first. As the pattern continues like this, the number will be 33 and the letter that comes after E is F. So E33F is the answer. 10th, we are given AB 37C, BC 29D, CD 21E, DE 13F. So here the pairs that are given to us have alphabets and numbers in it. So we can easily see that the alphabets are continuous, but the numbers are not. So we have to identify the pattern between the numbers. Okay. So first we will subtract 37 and 29. We get the answer as 8. On subtracting 29 and 21, we get the answer as 8. And on subtracting 21 and 13, we again get the answer as 8. That means the difference between the numbers is of 8. So to find the answer, we need to subtract 8 from 13, and that will be 5. And for the alphabets, E will come first, then F, then the number, that is 5, then G. So this will be the answer. So the answer for this part is EF05. Okay.